I have another shoe inspiration. This guy, this is the Nike Greco Supreme. It's a wrestling shoe and it's my favorite. As you can see, very much inspired by the Nike Greco Supreme. I have in this right here. Dun, dun. And it was super fun. And just so happens, I have an extra box for you. Super simple. I want to be pretty in pink. And you will be randomly chosen and I'll send it to you. That simple. That simple. Thank you so much for tuning in, and here goes the journey. Hi, how you guys doing? I'm still in the bathroom, so I apologize already. Sorry about the sound. I'm still in my bathroom. My lighting is actually showing up today, so hopefully I'll get that taken care of for the next video. Wish me luck. But today is extremely exciting. Today we have a hair I have never tried before, and I did see a YouTuber named Marzita B, the wonderful and crochet famous Marzita B, actually did this hair before, and I am very excited to give it a try myself. Trying the V8910. The color is Sombre Rose. Alrighty. I'm very excited to give this a try. I've never tried the 8910 before, and I've also never tried a WANDA curl before. All this is very new. However, one pack says one pack is enough. But I know my head. My head is vaguely the size of a watermelon. So, yeah. One pack enough? Probably not. So I got two. And I'm going to give this a try and let you know what I think about it. I'm going to show you guys my braid pattern after I snatch this down. And then I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the installation and pictures after. And I'll let you know what I think about it. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in a little bit. As you can see, it's a little crusty, it's a little dusty. I'm not going to have it in there for long, so I'm just going to use my old braiding pattern that I had for my updo that I was wearing. So let me show you what is inside. It's called 8910 because you get 3 lengths of hair. And I'm not going to lie, it's a big old chunk of hair in here. So you get 3 bundles of hair, and they are 8-inch, 9-inch, 10-inch, and I'm just going to go ahead and install this. Of course, 8 in the front, 9 in the middle, 10 in the back. This is an 8-inch curl. So interesting. Okay, knowing myself, I'm going to go ahead and separate this out. Let's see how it separates. Patented snatch. Separates really good. I'll probably take it one more time. Okay. So out of that one, I'll probably, okay. So out of each strand, I'll probably do 4 pieces. I have my trusty mousse here. It's really not even that bad. I've definitely seen worse. So we're gonna see how that mousse tames that down a little bit. You see? How does it mousse? It's just fine. I don't use the invisible method. Knots don't really bother me that much, so I'm just gonna throw it up there and I'll show you guys the finished product and some pictures when I'm done. Alrighty, thank you. Alright, so here I am with the first few parts done. I can already tell that I'm going to love this hair. It's very soft. Sometimes I think hair like this is a little bit too soft for me, but since it's a whimsical color, I don't really care about it looking natural. Usually I like something with a little bit more texture, but that's totally fine. It's very soft. This is without any mousse, so it's clumping out pretty well. But of course we're gonna mousse it down later on when I'm done. I just wanted to show you, this is, like I said, knots don't bother me. So there's that. Okay, so what I am very surprised with is it might actually just take 1 pack. I don't know. This is how I've been installing it. I take one strand, and this is the 8-inch pack because I'm working in the front. I take one strand, and then I would separate it out into 4. So 2, and then 3, 4, boom. So I take these 4, and that's what I would install per braid. Okay, so this is one strand, this is one strand, and pretty much just making sure that it's evenly distributed. I'm probably gonna stop right here with the 8, and then use the 8 to fill in the rest of my crown, and then get started with the longer pieces starting right here. So longer pieces, 8-inch. Alrighty, so that's pretty much how I'm installing it, and I will show you guys this finished product. Okay, be back. And I'm done. So this is it. It is pink or sombre rose because of this darker root. I love it. I love it. It's very pretty to me. I'm gonna go ahead and spin around so you can see. Let me show you what I have left. I have this much left of the 10-inch. And this much left of the 9. And this much left of the 8. I have a pretty good bit left. I'm definitely going to install it. I'm 100% going to finish putting the rest of this in here. But you only need one. One. I thought there was no way, but apparently there is. Want to see some parting? Okay. Color, and I am excited to maybe try some more styles that they have. They have a variety of curl patterns, and I might give them a try. I will say this, as you already know, I separate my curls out like a lot. I take one strand and make it to 4 before I install it, so that's why I have so much left. Let's say you just want a full head of these right here. You're not going to separate it more than once. Or you're not going to separate it at all to get a full head of these curls. That is where you might run into a problem. I have no idea how anybody who wants a full head of these would be able to fill their whole head with one pack. I know I couldn't. I personally could not if I wanted these big wand curls. But since I do like a nice separated curl, that's how I was able to stretch it so far. So you'll want to be cognizant of that. Any questions, comments, let me know. And thank you guys so much. And to the new subscribers, hi, hello, nice to meet you. So glad you're here. And to everybody else who's been hanging on, thank you so much. It is very much appreciated. And I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, bye.